Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Indonesia. Salamat pagi, salamat siyang to our Indonesian friends. And yeah, this is like a performance of something that it's so dear to us because we did some previous reaction to this amazing artist also. I put some links in here, guys, so that you can watch with that one also. Judica and Rina Rose. The title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Judica featuring Rina Rose in Jangan Kianati Ako Obsesi Awards in 2024. And the translation of this one is Don't Betray Me. Oh my God. The title itself, it's so like, it's like you were afraid. And I think this is so incredible. And credit also with the owner of the video to official GT Vid. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video commentary and video reaction purposes. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Let's get to it and enjoy with this performance.
You're a superhero.
Of Judica and Rina Rose. Obsesi Awards 2024.
Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan hianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu.
Oh my God, that's Judica. That's extraordinary. So genius. So love the vocal range and his quality. And this, like, there is some harshness of the tone that he's giving that you will enjoy listening, and it's like dancing to your ears. And that's incredible. It's like mind blowing. Oh my God, I was stunned with it.
Harapan bersama, sekira kau larut dalam hati, aku menanti bayangmu ini, ada yang kau nyata dalam hati, ku rasa.
Oh my God, Rina Rose. That, like, I hearing with her for the first time, I getting goosebumps already. That's phenomenal. I really like the drama effect of it. Walking down to going to the stage and hearing this wonderful tone, just giving the melody of it, it's fantastic. And her facial expression, the emotions. Goodness gracious, I love this way how they did this one. It's like a surprise. Wow. She's beautiful.
Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan hianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Iakan semua mereka.
Truly, this is how you kill the song. This is how you nailed it. This is such a fantastic. I know this is just a performance of this awards, of CC Awards 2024, but the way they just perform is like a concert already in Indonesia. This is amazing. Both of these artists, they're so professional. I know they have a huge name in Indonesia. oh, I really want to follow with them and listen to their performances because it stunned me. It like gives me like goosebumps and cringing with their performance. This is so nice.
Berada,
Phenomenal.
asal jangan pernah engkau hianati.
Good.
Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Aku bagaikan mentari jingga menghiasi cahaya kamarmu.
Aku pun juga seperti rembulan menemani di saat
I really like the way how they just throw with words, with beautiful like melody of the song, the facial expression, the emotions. I really like also with Judica because there is something special and like it's like out of this world of voice. Is so amazing that the level of these two artists, they're not like the other is getting high for that their performance. They're just getting uplifted with each other. That they just like throwing with wonderful words, with the song, with the performance that people will enjoy and love it in the audience. Wow, bravo!
malammu.
Goodness.
Resah bila kau tiada, hadirmu mengubah sejuta rasa pedih. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu. Jika benar itu jangan hianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Biarkan semua mereka berkata, asal jangan pernah engkau hianati. Berjanji padaku, percaya selalu. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu.
Oh my goodness. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, a duet. That's like insanely mind-blowing, insanely great. Oh my god, people knows this song. I think this is a huge song already or famous in Indonesia because people are singing together with them. The audience love it. They're on their feet. Whew, this is a performance of a lifetime. Goodness gracious, I love it. Rina also did an awesome job making a duet with Judica. Oh, wow. Whew, goodness gracious. This is amazing.
Hianati, berjanji padaku,
Good.
percaya selalu. Yang memilih aku adalah dirimu.
Judika.
Wow, that's how you do it. The way they just make it so nice performance, their movements, their delivery, it's so amazing that you will fall in love music, especially that you do not understand with the lyrics because it's in Indonesian. Just help me at the comment section, guys. What is the real meaning of this song, the lyrics of it? Because I was stunned, I was incredibly amazed with the way they perform it so nicely and the way they just like are throwing with words with beautiful tone with beautiful melody. That's amazing and incredible. I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one because I enjoyed it so much. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Rina Rose or any Judica or Indonesian artist that you want me to react, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. Salamat pagi, salamat siyang to our Indonesian friends and mabuhay kayong lahat. And please do consider like and subscribe also to my channel, Junris React, and be part of our membership that you can see at the description box below. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. God bless. Allah bless.